On 29 September 2016, I announced a preliminary examination into the situation in Gabon. This was based on a referral from the government of Gabon with respect to crimes allegedly committed in its territory since May of 2016 and potentially within the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court. My office also received several Article 15 communications alleging crimes in the context of the 2016 presidential elections. Following a thorough factual and legal analysis of all the information available, I have determined that, at this stage, the legal requirements to open an investigation into the situation in the Gabonese Republic have not been met. I carefully reviewed the information available against the Rome Statute criteria. I have concluded that there is no reasonable basis to believe that the acts allegedly committed in Gabon in the context of the 2016 post-election violence, either by the members of the opposition or by the Gabonese security forces, constitute crimes against humanity within the meaning of the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. Nor does the information available provide a reasonable basis to believe that the crime of incitement to genocide was committed during the election campaign. Therefore, I have determined that the crimes allegedly committed in this situation do not fall within the scope of crimes that the ICC is mandated to investigate and prosecute. Accordingly, I am closing this preliminary examination as there is no subject matter jurisdiction. My office has issued a detailed report presenting and explaining our findings. Should new facts or information come to light in the future, warranting reconsideration of my office's conclusions, the preliminary examination could be reopened. Under the Rome Statute, the referring states, and in this case the Gabonese Republic, also has the right to request ICC judges to review my decision not to open an investigation. I would like to emphasize that this conclusion by no means diminishes the seriousness of the violent acts and human rights violations that appear to have occurred in Gabon in the post-election crisis, nor their impact on the victims. Such alleged abuses ought to be addressed by the competent national authorities even where no formal complaints have been made. Noting there have been episodes of election-related violence in Gabon in the recent past, and in light of the upcoming legislative and local elections, I urge all individuals and groups to refrain from acts of violence. This court may still exercise its jurisdiction over Rome Statute crimes that could be committed in Gabon in the future. My office will keep a close eye on any outbreak of violence during the upcoming legislative and local elections.